There are many associated minerals in natural phosphate rock, also known as impurity minerals or gangue, mainly silica-containing minerals and carbonate minerals. Phosphate or ball pressing machine is the raw material after grinding directly on the machine production without adding water. It can complete the pressing work of active materials such as phosphate rock powder, phosphate rock ball, alumina and quicklime. The roller of phosphate or ball press is cast with 65 manganese after special heat treatment. The hardness can reach more than 58 degrees. The roller is assembled in combination, replaceable after wear. The ball press has a buffer device, which can better protect the equipment from the impact of hard objects. The ball pressing machine is designed with the ball bowl adjustable device, so that the two-roller ball bowl is always in the adjustable range, never dislocation. The actual density of the material in the process of ball pressing can be increased by 1 to 3 times, so as to meet certain strength requirements.